how to properly upgrade your video editing PC. So before I start this video, I want to mention that if you have a lot of money and don't have any budget limit, then this video is not for you. This video is for those who are already having a PC and trying to upgrade their parts with the limited amount of budget. So let's get started. Some people upgrade their PC parts by randomly go with higher processor, RAM, graphics card, SSD and so on. Also, some people upgrade their parts by suggestion by YouTubers. My suggestion is not to do that, because randomly upgrading your PC part, it may or it may not increase your workflow speed. That's because it really depends on what kind of parts you're upgrading and software you are using. If your workflow is slow, you need to find out what kind of parts your PC needs to upgrade and not just randomly upgrade your RAM just because you have more slot on your motherboard. So for my PC, I'm using an i7-4790K quad-core processor, 8GB RAM, SSD without a dedicated graphics card. So I'm just using an integrated graphics HD4600, which comes with an i7 processor. So I will show you how to find out. You don't need any special software since we already having a task manager. So to find out, open up your task manager, go to performance tab. You can see we have a CPU, memory, SSD, hard drive, Ethernet and GPU. On this little box, you will see live graphs going on. This is where you will find out which PC parts you need to upgrade. So on next step, open up your software which you usually use for your work. In my case, I use DaVinci Resolve video editing software. I want to mention that this is the best free video editing software in 2020. So if your software takes too much time to open up and this is one of those reasons you need to upgrade your PC part, then take a look at the graph while opening your software. If you see your graph hits all the way to 100% usage, then that's the part you need to upgrade. I will show you another example. I'm going to export my 4K video footage to my hard drive, which is SSD, and let's keep eye on graph. As you can see, after it started rendering, my GPU, which is Intel graphics, hits 100% usage all the time. On other side, CPU, which is processor, hits only 20% usage. On memory, which is RAM, it hits only 7GB RAM. 1GB RAM is not in use. So from this graph, you can clearly see I need to upgrade my graphics card instead of CPU or RAM for improving my rendering speed. If I upgrade my CPU or adding more RAMs instead of upgrading my GPU, which is graphics card, there will be no improvement. In your case, you have to take a look on your graph which one hits 100%. Do you remember at this beginning of this video, I said randomly upgrading your PC part, it may or it may not increase your workflow speed. That's because it really depends on what kind of software you are using. We just saw the rendering process on this software on my PC with integrated graphics hits 100%. But if I use After Effects for rendering, that would be different scenario. My RAM will hit 100% instead of GPU since After Effects use more RAM. Also, I only have 8GB RAM. In this case, if I upgrade my GPU instead of RAM, there will be no significant improvement on editing or in rendering. So you have to find out which specific part your PC need to upgrade for better improvement by looking at those graphs. So that's it. Like this video if you like and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.